Hey, just a little tidbit for those of you who are working on the Google Doc to make changes to your program of studies and using the suggestion tool. I realize that if you make a suggestion to something like, for example, here, I made a suggestion to move this course of Algebra 1 from one section to another. And after I made the suggestion, I wanted to go back in and make a second suggestion within it of changing Common Core state standards to the New Jersey state learning standards. And with that case there, though, you can't do that. You can't make a suggestion on top of a suggestion or within a suggestion. But what you can do, and what talking with Nancy, if you have a situation like that, the compromise or the solution we have temporarily is this: you know, make the move or make your suggestion, which is what I have here in green, and then make a suggestion like this. So I'll delete that one, I'll redo it. I need to change Common Core state standards. And up here, I'm going to put in a comment. And my comment will be then to make the change within that. So use the comment feature inside of the suggestion feature to make that happen. Good luck.